In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed high frame rate videos on Behance. Whether you're showcasing your own creative work or just sharing other high quality videos, Behance offers a simple way to do it. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to the Behance website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your Behance account. This platform is a fantastic place for creatives to show off their work, and having a high frame rate video can truly make your projects stand out. After logging in, click on your Behance profile. You'll see this option at the top right corner of the page. Your profile is where you'll manage your projects, and it's the gateway to showcasing your artistic talent. Next, look for the option that says Create a Project and click on it. This is a crucial step because you'll be building a fresh project space dedicated to the video you're about to embed. Now, let's head over to YouTube. You'll need to upload your video there first if it's one that you've created. Alternatively, if you're using someone else's video, you can simply locate it on YouTube. YouTube acts as the host for visual content, facilitating easy integration with other platforms like Behance. Once you've found or uploaded your video on YouTube, direct your attention to the share icon below the video player. Click on it to reveal a selection of ways to share your video. From the sharing options, choose Embed. This will provide you with the necessary embed code, a small snippet of HTML that allows you to place the video in Behance. It's a quick and easy method to integrate video content across different platforms. After clicking Embed, you'll see an option to copy the HTML code. Click Copy to grab this code. This step bridges the gap between YouTube and Behance, carrying over your video content for seamless embedding. With your embed code copied, navigate back to Behance. In the Behance project editor, find the embed option and click on it. This is where you'll be pasting the code from YouTube. Paste the embed code you copied earlier into the provided field. This action places your video directly into the project content area on Behance. Then click on Embed to finalize this step. Your high frame rate video is now set within your Behance project. After successfully embedding your video, click Continue. This leads you to the additional settings where you can add project information. Enter all relevant details about your project to give viewers context about the content. Don't forget to add a project cover. This visual thumbnail is required and serves as the face of your project on your profile and in search results. Finally, once everything looks good and is set to your satisfaction, hit Publish. By doing this, you'll make your project live on Behance for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a high frame rate video on Behance. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore the countless creative possibilities Behance offers. Happy showcasing!